Welcome! In this video, I'll tell you why this umbrella is replacing my rain jacket and why I think this is great for a wide variety of weather and not just rain. It's basically one of the most versatile pieces of gear that I have ever owned. So many uses! You can twirl it like a baton.
Oh God, Miranda!
What? I didn't hit anybody.
Whoa. Oh, okay, stop it.
This is my show, gosh darn.
You're like Mary Poppins with this umbrella.
I am! I'm exactly like Mary Poppins. Let's be honest, I'm more of a Dick Van Dyke.
I'm more Mary Poppins.
No, you're like the little kids that she takes care of. So, recently, a lot of YouTubers have talked about the benefits of a backpacking umbrella. And if I'm honest with you, I kind of still didn't get it until I got one of my own. This is the Six Moon Designs Silver Shadow umbrella. Six Moon Designs actually makes a variety of different backpacking umbrellas, including one that's even lighter than this one that packs down smaller and shorter. But this one is one that I actually got as a gift from somebody who basically found it as trail swag and then passed it along to me when they bought one of their own. So this umbrella has a little bit of like sentimental value to me as well. Just kind of like a perfect piece of gear. Here are a couple of major pros of an umbrella that you just don't get with a rain jacket. The first one is breathability. No matter how breathable a rain jacket is, it's just not going to be as breathable as not wearing a rain jacket. So with an umbrella, you have something that is completely breathable because you don't have to wear a rain jacket. There's no more of that feeling of having like stuffy plastic against your skin. You just have to worry about staying underneath your umbrella and staying dry. Another really cool thing about this umbrella, it actually weighs less than my rain jacket. This umbrella weighs only 8.9 ounces, which if you're a gram person is 252 grams. That's still a full 4 ounces lighter than my rain jacket. And honestly, it's a lot easier to pack because I can just like stuff it in the side pocket of my backpack and have easy access to it right away. Whereas with a rain jacket, you have to like take your pack off, put your rain jacket on, put your pack back on. It's kind of a hassle. Another thing, an umbrella protects whatever is under it from the rain.
Is it still raining? I hadn't noticed.
That means that this can also help keep my pack dry, which is a massive bonus in my opinion, especially now that I've switched to a pack liner as opposed to a pack cover. It's also cheaper. My rain jacket of choice right now is the Patagonia Torrent Shell 3-layer, which is about $180. This umbrella, $35.
Help me, I'm poor.
So you're able to get something that is less expensive, lighter in weight, more versatile, more practical, and better protection than a rain jacket.
You know what's another kind of cool use for an umbrella?
Yeah?
Is like standing alone and forlornly in the rain at like the side of a grave.
Oh, excellent use for an umbrella. It can also be used as a walking stick.
If you're like in a Looney Tune.
Oh,
Just open your umbrella.
open your umbrella, exactly. So I've told you all of the reasons that I love a backpacking umbrella, but there are a couple of cons. One of the big ones that I have noticed is the need to hold the umbrella when you're hiking. However, I did just learn that there are these kits that are made that make your umbrella hands-free. So imagine your umbrella is open like this. The straps that make it into a hands-free umbrella allow you to bungee cord the handle of the umbrella to the strap on your backpack, and then you are free to hike with both hands. It's basically the same as wearing one of those like clown hats with the little spinny umbrella on top of them. How cool would that be? This is just like attached on here like this.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No.
Yes. If you're hiking with an umbrella and you're like hiking by a group of people, you do have to be careful to not like smack anybody in the face with your umbrella or take out somebody's eye or like knock a tall person off balance or something. If you're a New Yorker, you already know this. Walking with an umbrella requires a little bit more care and consideration for the people around you because you are a wide, pointy load. So I do feel like if you're hiking on a crowded trail, be aware of the fact that the umbrella is going to take up more like lateral space than just your rain jacket would. Be like a New Yorker.
Hey, New Yorkers.
Hey, New Yorkers. Now here's another thing. If you are hiking in really torrential downpours or like sideways rain, an umbrella is just not gonna cut it. Because the thing with sideways rain is that it doesn't just come from one side, you know? It comes from all sides. Wow, that was like the dumbest way to explain that. A rain jacket is not only protection from rain, it's also protection from wind. And you really do not get that same wind protection from an umbrella. Yes, look, it's still an umbrella. If it's really crazy windy, it will turn inside out. And it does say that on the website. It's like, hey, we've done our best to make these windproof, but like it will flip inside out if you have a lot of wind. So, you know, use caution. I mean, another thing about this umbrella is that it's so light that you could actually pack this as well as a rain jacket in your bag. And that way, if this is strapped to the outside of your pack and like a light rain starts, pull this out, have a little bit of protection. And if it starts to get really heavy, then you can dive into your pack and grab that rain jacket. Ta-da! Now, I said that a backpacking umbrella is not just good for rain, but it's also good for other things. And that is sun protection. The first time I went hiking with this umbrella was actually on a super sunny, hot day. It made such a massive difference in my own personal comfort. I didn't get sunburned. I was able to like feel a great breeze coming through at all times. And it just was like one of the best and most crucial pieces of gear that I used on that hike. Now, I tend to really like to hike in tank tops, but in order to protect myself from the sun, I will often wear a sun shirt. But because I was carrying this, I could actually like have a tank top on and have my umbrella and be protected from the sun, but still be able to wear clothes that were like comfortable and cool. Cool temperature wise, not cool looking wise. I gave up a long time ago on looking cool when I went hiking. Sunscreen wears off. Umbrella does not wear off. Sun hoodies don't protect your face. Umbrella protects your face. Wide brimmed hats protect your face, but they don't look that cool. Umbrella looks cool.
Does it really?
Yeah. This has just proved to be one of the best, most versatile, and best protective pieces of equipment that I've ever found.
Oh my good God.
I'm sick. All right, so whether or not it's a super sunny day or if it's a super rainy day, this umbrella can be used on either ends of the spectrum, which makes it just so practical and so versatile. As much as I keep saying I'm not going to become an ultralight backpacker, I do think that some of the ultralight backpacking gear is so cool for everybody, like regardless of whether or not you're an ultralighter. And really, the umbrella is like the perfect example of that. This is something that I think every backpacker should have. Regardless of what type of backpacker you are, a backpacking umbrella is such an awesome and versatile piece of gear. If you want to get your own ultralight backpacking umbrella, I'll put the link in the description below for this umbrella, as well as the full line of ultralight umbrellas on Garage Grown Gear's website. And if you liked this video, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Right now, I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you were the 100,000th person. Happy hiking, and I will see you outside. Bye, friends. I'm dangerous. Look at this. Wait, hold on, watch. Ready? Never mind.